So guys, today I'm going to explore the countryside. So you can see how it looks. This is the road which goes straight towards the mountain region where I usually explore the wildlife. So today I am going to show you how my farms looks, and see, these are the farms near my house and how it looks. So first of all, see, this is how the road in the rural areas can be seen. And from here, this slope. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aman, and today I am going to show you how my village look like. So let's move with me, and as you can see, it's bushes all around, and there are only farms you can see here. So let's begin with today's tour. If you can see, that mountain where I usually shoot the vlogs of wild animal, and usually I go there in that portion to explore the wildlife. But today I cannot go there because of some urgent work. So I thought I should explore these areas so I can show you my how my village looks. So see, this is the area where we do farmings, and we have done this barricading. As you can see, we have fenced our farms so that the wild animals from here cannot enter our farms. Usually what happens is that sometimes leopards or any wild animals come towards this region, and they attack on our pet animals like cow, goat, and etc. So after these incidents happens, we try to, and we fence this portion so that they cannot enter our farm areas. And this is the area which is usually comes under the forest department. So, and you can see there is a path made here which goes straight towards those mountains. So living in village is very struggling, you know. If you live in forest areas, then you have to struggle a lot, because there might be some wild animals can attack on your pet animals. Even in the night they can also attack on you. Many times it has happened that some peoples of my village were coming from this portion from, like, after their work, after they are finishing their works, and then what happened is that the wild animals has attacked on them. That's really scary for the people who lives near this region. So let's move towards these forest areas and we will try to explore it. So as you guys can see, today I'm not going there. So let's take a tour from this side only, because I have never shown you this portion. In my vlogs you have always saw that mountains and wild animals. So let's explore this region today. So here you can find a lots of birds. As I have already told you, that in this area you can find some strange and unique birds which can be found only here. And from here the forest line starts. So this is the road made here, but I don't know if anybody travels through this road or not. I'm not sure about this. So I really miss today trekking in that forest, and I really missing exploring the wild animals. But it's okay, I will try to explore tomorrow. Exploring for 20 to 30 minutes, you will come in this city areas. See how the roads are so big here, and you can see the cars. Usually you have seen in my vlogs that the whole area is greenery, wild animals, and no good roads. But now you can see how good the roads are. And if you move towards in this direction for 1 to 2 kilometers, you will see long buildings. But this area is under the rural area, so till now there is not such big buildings.